train set here. It's a Lionel train set. It's in New York Central. So as you can see, guys, in the picture, I think this is a very cool set. Ethan love it. We just want to see all the details for this train later. We're gonna show you all the details. So before we make the video, we already set up the train because there's a lot of things to do. So this is it. Ethan make a small city for this train. This is a freight train, Lionel train set freight train. So as you can see, guys, there's a door here where you can put all your stuff. Here, and then the other one says New York Central System, NYC 8307. And then on the other side there's a store. It's 24 hours business. And there you go, the engine part, and then the drivers. There are two drivers inside. The light is on, so it means the train is ready to go. But let's show Ethan's city first before we drive the train, before we turn on the train. So in this parking lot, there's cars with a dog. It's a very cool city. And then Ethan is there playing with the airplane. He's pretending he is the pilot, flying the airplane. And then on the other side, there's a train station. It's the Roosevelt Island. Okay, so we're gonna turn this train on. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. Let's see. Ethan.
Yeah.
Move, okay? When the train is coming, you have to move, okay?
I was going to do this one. I was going to do this one.
Okay. So,
I was going to do this. I was going to do this.
hurry up! Come on! Get up! Okay, it's coming again.
I'm going to do the whole.
Yeah? Okay.
Dispatcher here. Your track is clear. Over. Roger. Out.
This is very the phone. Okay. So let the man talk. Turn the
Dispatcher here. Hold your position. Standing by. Out.
Okay, I think it's ready to go.
No, Jack. People are coming in.
Okay. Oh, what happened? What happened?
The track. The
Okay.
train.
Let's wait. Turn the button. Turn up the remote. Wait, turn up the remote. Don't. Okay. Don't make it fast. Okay? Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Let the guy talk.
Dispatcher here. Hold your position. Standing by. Out.
Okay.
The train needs to move there.
Let's go now. Come on. is going to get something to eat, okay? He's going to stop here with the store, okay? Drive it slowly. A little faster. No, not backwards. Forward. Okay, move. Okay. The driver is going to get something. Just pretend, Ethan. Not the store. Okay, he got something to drink now. Okay, the train is ready to go. Okay. Press the remote now.
Keep rolling. Dispatcher over. Understood. Out.
Mom, I need to do this too. Mom.
Your boss. The boss. Okay. No go.
What's up?
Ethan, the train is running.
Dispatcher here. Your track is clear. Over. Roger. Out. Keep rolling. Dispatcher over. Understood.